Good morning, students. How are you to all? I hope all of you feel good. Students, today I am going to teach you social science of 7th class, history part, and the name of the chapter is Mobile and Settled Communities. In this live video, we are talking about the Gond Kingdom. So students, the Gonds lived in Gondwana, which included the rest of forest of central India and Chhattisgarh. The region was rich in precious metal and forest products. Rajput dynasties ruled over the region in the early medieval period. In the 15th century, various Gond tribes of the region united to form a large Gond kingdom called Grehkatanga. Usually a Gond kingdom was divided into territorial units, each having a gad, that means fortress, and several villages. Grehkatanga had many towns and cities and about 70,000 villages. That means now we will go in the depth of Gond kingdom beta. The Gond kingdoms lived in the Gondwana, in the central India and Chhattisgarh. Gondwana was very rich in precious metals and rich in forest products also. There was a ruled by the Rajput dynasties of the time of medieval India. गोंडवाना बहुत रिच था प्रेशियस मेटल्स के लिए एंड फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए. मेडिवल टाइम में गोंडवाना पर राजपूतों का शासन हुआ करता था उस टाइम. एंड इन 15th century the Gond tribes of the region united to form a large Gond kingdom which is known as गढ़कटंगा. जो गौंड किंगडम होते थे, जिनका बड़ा एम्पायर होता था, उसको गढ़कटंगा कहा जाता था. द टेरिटोरियल यूनिट्स, द किंगडम हैज द टेरिटोरियल यूनिट्स and these units are called gad and also have several villages. Villages areas are called gad while the towns and cities are considered as katanga. That is why the Gond kingdom is known as गढ़कटंगा. ओके, जो विलेज एरिया होता था बेटा, दैट इज नोन एज गढ़ एंड द टाउन्स एंड सिटीज, जो टाउन्स एंड सिटीज का एरिया होता था, दैट इज नोन एज कटंगा. ओके, दैट इज वाई गोंड किंगडम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द गढ़कटंगा. द कटंगा हैज 70,000 villages under it. Okay, now let's move. The Gond came into the close contact with the Rajputs. Some Gond chiefs were able to marry into the Rajput families. Amandas, one of the earliest Gond kings of Garhkatanga, took the title Sangram Shah. His son Dalpat Shah married the Rajput princess Durgavati, Rani Durgavati of Bundelkhand. Dalpat died young, leaving behind the queen and minor son Bir Narayan. It is the picture of Rani Durgavati of Bundelkhand. Garhkatanga grew prosperous under the able leadership of Rani Durgavati, who ruled on behalf of Bir Narayan. अब जो गोंड किंगडम थी, देयर वॉज ए रूल of Rajput family, means most of the people of Gond kingdom have married to the Rajput families. उनमें से एक हुए अमनदास, who was earlier ruler of gone kingdom of Grahakatanga, who took the title of Sangram Shah. इनको जो अमनदास थे उनको संग्राम शाह का टाइटल मिला था. एंड हिज सन whose संग्राम शाह son is दलपत शाह, who married to the राजपूत प्रिंसेस रानी दुर्गावती ऑफ बुंदेलखंड. संग्राम शाह ने रानी दुर्गावती से शादी की. जो संग्राम शाह थे वो ग्रहकटंगा के चीफ थे. उनके बेटे का नाम दलपत शाह था. एंड ही मैरिड टू राजपूत प्रिंसेस रानी दुर्गावती ऑफ बुंदेलखंड. देयर वॉज फ्रीक्वेंट वॉर टू कंट्रोल ओवर दिस रीजन. So when he died, he left his son Dalpat Birnarayan. When he was died, he was very little at that time. He was very little at that time, and her mother Rani Durgavati leader the Grahakatanga to defend it from at the neighbor's kingdom. That means the kingdom of Grahakatanga was also its richest. So the Mughal king Akbar, let's see, the kingdom of Grahakatanga was known for its riches. It had a frequent wars against the neighboring kingdoms of Rewa and Malwa. Akbar's armies conquered Malwa, subjugated Rewa and invaded Grahakatanga. Rani Durgavati bravely defended her kingdom. He killed herself when her defeat became certain. Her son also died fighting. The Mughals got a large booty of gold, silver and elephants. Akbar expanded his province of Malwa by annexing part of Grahakatanga. He restored the rest of Grahakatanga to Chandra Shah, a brother of Dalpat Shah. Later, the gone territories were gradually taken over by the Marathas. That means the frequent war to control over the region. So when he died, he left his son Dalpat Birnarayan. When he was died, he was very little at that time. Her mother Rani Durgavati. The kingdom of Grahakatanga was also known for its riches. So the Mughal king Akbar, who already conquered the Grahakatanga. So finally Akbar conquered the Malwa, then after Rewa, and he invaded to Grahakatanga. पहले मुगल अकबर जो मुगल शासक हुआ करते थे उसने पहले मालवा को जीता, फिर रेवा को जीता, देन एट लास्ट ग्रहकटंगा को भी जीता. ओके, बट रानी दुर्गावती फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शी फॉट ब्रेवली टू डिफेंड द किंगडम, बट शी किल्ड हरसेल्फ व्हेन हर डिफीट बिकेम सर्टन. जब रानी दुर्गावती को लगा कि वो हार जाएगी तो उन्होंने अपने आप की ही जान ले ली. एंड हर सन ऑल्सो डाइड इन दिस वार और इन दिस फाइटिंग, और उनका बेटा भी इस वार में मारा गया. मुगल्स रिसीव्ड अ लार्ज बूटी ऑफ गोल्ड, सिल्वर, एलिफेंट्स फॉर वॉट गॉन किंगडम वॉज very famous in the time of medieval. And after the gone territories were gradually taken over by the Marathas. फिर गॉन किंगडम पर मराठा ने कब्जा कर लिया. Now let us talk about the influence of Brahmins. The gone kings employed the Brahmins from Varanasi as priests and gave them land grants. These kings also patronized the Sanskrit language. King Sangram Shah was himself a talented author of Sanskrit verses. That means Brahmins are the employee of Gond kingdom beta, and Brahmins are considered as priests and gave them land grants. गोंड किंगडम में बनारस के जो ब्राह्मण थे वो पुजारी थे, एंड किंग ऑफ गोंडवाना गेव देम टू लैंड ग्रांट्स. संग्राम शाह was specialized himself a talented author of Sanskrit. I think it is enough to you students. Meet you in the next video. Good day, students.